Want smooth gaming without spending a fortune? Today we're taking a look at the KOORUI G2711P and finding out whether its 200Hz refresh rate really delivers. Stick around until the end, because we'll give you an honest summary of who this monitor is actually worth buying for. Visually, the monitor goes for a clean gaming design without over-the-top effects. It fits nicely into a standard setup and feels well-built overall. However, there are some ergonomic limitations. You can tilt it, but you can't adjust the height. If flexibility is important to you, a monitor arm is recommended. Thanks to the 75 by 75 millimeters, about 3 by 3 inches, VESA mount, that's easy to do. For connectivity, you get 2 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort. For high refresh rates on PC, DisplayPort is usually the best choice. Important: these are HDMI 2.0 ports, not 2.1. For many users, that's perfectly fine, but depending on your console, there could be some limitations. There are no built-in speakers. If you're already using a headset or external speakers, you probably won't miss them. Don't forget to check the product links in the video description if you want to see current deals. The focus here is clearly on speed. At 200 Hz, the image feels noticeably smoother than traditional 60 Hz displays. In fast-paced games especially, every movement feels more direct and fluid. The 1 millisecond response time further supports that smooth experience. The full HD resolution puts less strain on your graphics card, making it easier to reach high frame rates. On a 27-inch screen, sharpness may feel slightly lower compared to higher resolutions, but many users find it perfectly adequate, especially for gaming. The IPS panel delivers stable viewing angles and solid color performance. With 99% sRGB and 90% DCI-P3 coverage, the monitor isn't just suitable for gaming, but also for videos and everyday use. The brightness of around 300 nits is sufficient in normal indoor environments, though it may struggle in very bright rooms. Display HDR 400 is more of a bonus than a standout feature. It adds a bit more dynamic range, but it doesn't replace a true high-end HDR experience. A big plus is adaptive sync. It reduces screen tearing and makes the overall gaming experience feel smoother and more consistent. If you enjoy compact and honest reviews like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. So what are the strengths and weaknesses? Pros: very smooth gameplay thanks to 200 Hz, 1 millisecond response time for fast action, IPS panel with good viewing angles, strong color gamut coverage, adaptive sync for smoother visuals, VESA compatible, excellent value for the price. Cons: no built-in speakers, no height adjustment, average brightness, HDMI 2.0 instead of 2.1. Full HD at 27 inches isn't ideal for everyone. The KOORUI G2711P is clearly aimed at gamers looking for high refresh rates at a fair price. If your priority is smooth gameplay and you're satisfied with full HD resolution, you're getting a lot of speed for your money here. If you care more about maximum brightness, higher resolution, or full ergonomic adjustability, you may want to consider alternatives. And check out the deals in the video description and let me know in the comments. Would you rather have higher resolution or maximum refresh rate? And don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you.